Hi everyone, this is Mani and welcome back to SKSecOps. Today we will be understanding one of the important service in AWS, which is Amazon S3 bucket. So let's get started. If you observe, the word or the term S3 is a combination of three letters. The first letter represents simple, the second one represents storage, and the third one represents service. We will understand why Amazon S3 is simple storage service in few minutes. But before we understand the definition, let us understand the scenario why we are using Amazon S3. Whenever you twist the tap, water flows into the bucket and your bucket is storing water. Similarly, S3 bucket of Amazon is storing objects. Like how normal bucket is storing water, similarly S3 bucket is storing objects. But what is an object? Object can be anything like the image or the picture you take, documents, videos, and log files, or any file can be considered as object. Now in S3, you can store these type of objects in it. We can simply store these objects by simply uploading them into S3. That's why it is a simple storage service. Two important points you need to consider in S3 is bucket size is infinite or it can grow, but the object size is less than or equal to 5 terabytes. S3 bucket name should be unique because it uses global or shared namespace across all AWS accounts and regions. One of the main benefit or it follows pay as you go model. Just like a petrol station charges you only for the fuel you pump into your car, AWS S3 charges you only for the storage space and how much size of the objects you are storing. The smaller size of the objects you store, the less you pay. Now simply you can understand the definition where Amazon S3 is an object storage service for storing and accessing the data in the cloud. Let us understand some of the benefits of S3. In terms of security, S3 keeps your files safe with strong security. It uses encryption keys stored in AWS KMS. KMS means Key Management Service, which is very useful for cryptographic operations, which works like a secure locker for your keys. And also it provides durability and availability where your data is stored across multiple availability zones in a region. This gives high durability where your data is safe even if one location fails. And also it provides high availability here, which means you can access the data at any time.
That's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.